When it comes time for cleaning up overgrown brush, meadows, and weeds, clean up with Billy Goat's BC2600 series of brush cutters. Ideal for reclaiming your meadows, fields, paths, trails, or any overgrown property, the 66cm Outback Brush Cutter from Billy Goat is designed to cut and clear a path through the densest brush and weeds. To accomplish this, the working end of the Billy Goat Brush Cutter features a powerful high-torque reinforced blade that is adjustable from 5 to 10 centimeters and able to cut any vegetation pushed over by the brush guard. This gives the Outback all the power it needs to cut brush and saplings up to 5 centimeters in diameter and 2 meters high. Customers are amazed at what they can cut without damaging the Outback. This unit is designed to take the abuse of hitting all those items hidden in the brush, such as rocks, stumps, fence posts, and even tires. This is possible because of the heavy-duty spindle assembly sandwiched between the engine base and cutting deck. The assembly is welded and reinforced in 4 directions, so it's extremely rigid. And the Kevlar belt helps to absorb and dissipate any shock and protect critical components in the rear of the machine. The Outback BC26 features a hydrostatic transaxle with enhanced traction control, providing positive traction on hillsides. This feature reacts when a rear wheel starts to slip. It senses the slip and automatically locks both wheels, giving it positive traction in wet or uneven conditions. The hydro-drive transmission also eliminates shifting and allows for feathering in forward and reverse with fingertip control. Coupled with a floating 12-degree pivoting deck and proprietary return to neutral, this ground-hugging workhorse glides over uneven terrain and deep brush seamlessly. For safety, the blade deck is completely enclosed and helps cut brush until it slowly rolls out the back of the slope deck. Swinging metal deflectors in front of the deck also keep cut debris from flying forward. This is the safest and most effective way to handle overgrown vegetation and the surprises found in it. The Hydro unit also features a rubberized rear deck trim that allows for easier stump clearance in reverse. In fact, the 66cm Outback Brush Cutter with higher tip speed is ideal for clearing brush and weeds up to 182 centimeters high and saplings to 5 centimeters diameter at a rate of 2/3 an acre, that's 1/3 hectare per hour. The unit is powered by the reliable 13 horsepower, 390cc Honda engine. And for ease of turning, the unit features heavy-duty greasable caster wheels that lock to hold position when cutting hillsides. Wide puncture-resistant tires offer better grabbing in deep brush and uneven terrain. For ease of handling and safety in deep brush, the unit has wide plow-style handles with thick padded grips for maximum leverage, as well as knuckle guards that protect operator hands in rugged conditions. Lastly, intuitive drive controls make it easier for the operator to move forward and reverse easily from the handles. So for incredible performance and smooth handling when cleaning up overgrown brush, meadows, and weeds, rely on the power of the Outback BC26 from Billy Goat, part of a full line of property cleanup solutions.